All right, we made it to group 12, finally. And we'll start on the lateral side of the leg, and then we'll rotate around to look at the medial side. So this big muscle pinned by the purple pin right here is the gastrocnemius. This is your big calf muscle. And there's actually 3 muscles that participate in this extension of the foot. It's when they contract, it's going to point the toes down and bring the heel back up towards the knee. So gastrocnemius is one of them. And then we have the soleus, which is another one. They all insert on this calcaneal tendon down here. So there's soleus. This group of muscles here can actually be separated into 3 separate ones, but we're just going to call these the peroneus muscles. Sometimes they're also called fibularis because they lie right alongside the fibula. So here's the peroneus muscles. More anterior to that is our extensor digitorum longus. And then sitting right on top of the tibia, which you would consider your shin muscle, is the tibialis cranialis. In the human, it's called tibialis anterior. In the rabbit, tibialis cranialis. So now we're going to go medial. Just a couple muscles over here. This is our flexor digitorum longus. So that's going to help pull the foot up towards the knee. And then down here, the third member of our triceps surae, that group that helps point the toes down, is the plantaris. So we'll go in reverse here. Plantaris, flexor digitorum longus, tibialis cranialis, extensor digitorum longus, peroneus, soleus or soleus, and then our gastrocnemius muscle.